What's up, folks? This is Hudson on Base with Chess Homes Unlimited, Chess Homes Realty. I'm here today to walk you guys through my flipped house, some of the updates that are going on with the house. My contractor actually took off and left. I can tell that some work has been done in his absence, but nonetheless, he's not here to supervise these things, so it's kind of just pushing me back a little bit on my timeline. I wanted to be finished with this property and have it done by now and have it listed last Saturday, but now I think it's going to be not this coming Saturday, but the Saturday after that. So we're going to be looking closer to March before this project gets done. But nonetheless, want to let you guys walk through the property and just take a look at it and see what updates are currently being done. We've got our appliances in here. We've got our paint on the wall. So I'm going to let you guys look at what's going on with the property now. Borders have been put in. The walls have been painted, so we've got our painting done. Walk you guys back to the back of the property. They're working constantly, consistently on the bedrooms, bathrooms, things like that. So that is done. Closet. This closet needed a little bit of patch work in there, so they patched that up. So this closet is nice and clean. They're actually running our floors down in there all the way through. So we did laminate flooring all the way through. This is not real hardwood, but it's going to look really, really nice once this place is cleaned up and cleaned out a little bit. We've got new windows all the way through the house. Every single window pretty much is new. This bathroom we didn't touch too much, so it was already done, thankfully. We didn't have to do a lot in there, so the bathroom is done. We do have to do some things with the plumbing and things like that in here, but that's being worked out. We're taking care of that now, right? This is the master bedroom right here, done. This is our flooring, again, running through. We still got to take this heater unit out because we have put in now central AC. As you can see that vent up there up top, we put in AC in it. So now that's done as well. So because we've decided to put central AC, these are those old heater units they used to use back in the 50s, and that's being taken out. We no longer need that. Our flooring is running here along with our baseboards. They look really, really nice. Windows, once again, the windows are all brand new. Contractor put in brand new windows in this room. That's done. I put in the ceiling fan, so that's done, and it's put up properly, and I think it works. Let's see if we can hit this switch. There it is. Ceiling fan is working. All right, boom. So that's done. I think we're talking about running our return vent right here next to the attic steps. So that's the steps to get into the attic up there. And I believe our contractor said we're gonna run our return vent like right down in this area right in here.
How clean do you think your air ducts are? Your air ducts are constantly contaminating the air you are breathing with dust, pollen, mold spores, animal dander, viruses, bacteria, odors. Isn't it time you get it cleaned by a professional before it gets you and your family sick? We are a leading, reputable company providing first-class duct cleaning service. We have an expert team of experienced professionals who are efficient and always on time to provide the safest and reliable duct cleaning for your home. Stop waiting.
So we'll put that up there. As you can see, we still got some painting to do, finish up, some smoke detectors and things like that we're gonna need to put up in here. We'll get that done next week when he gets back. The flooring, once again, there was a wall in this area right here that was sort of dividing this room from what I believe is the dining room, the formal dining room. So we connected them together, took that wall out, And now this is one complete flow all the way from here, all the way through dining room over there. As you can see, I put up another ceiling fan right here. I'm gonna be putting up another little fancy fixture. This was just one that we were using just to get by. So what you wanna do is make sure when you're putting on like your additional touches, things like that, when people walk into your properties to take a look at them, they wanna see nice fixtures. That's one of the things you kinda can splurge on a little bit. That might not cost much. I mean, $100 or $150, maybe depending on the price of the house that you're selling, but something like that to put up a nice fixture, it would be a very good touch to add to your houses and things when you're renovating, when you're fixing them up. So spend a little bit of money on fixtures, lighting, things like that, just stuff that they can look at and say, wow, that looks really, really nice, will go a long way in terms of the sale of your house. So for that reason, I'm gonna put up a nice fixture here. This was just one that we were using just to get by. As you can see, once again, there's another AC vent that contractor put up there, nice and clean. That looks very, very clean. I don't know if you looked at the earlier videos of this house, but this whole ceiling was popcorn, and now we've replaced the whole ceiling with just regular drywall, okay, regular drywall ceiling. So it looks really, really nice. I'm very, very pleased with how the ceilings and things like that turned out. Super nice. All right, as you know, we got a new front door on. We're gonna get this door painted very, very soon. It's a 9 or 15 panel window door. We also have our refrigerator and things like that are already in. We just gotta come in and clean up a little bit. And these are our counters. I'm very, very happy and pleased about the countertops that we selected here, along with the backsplash, which were really floor tiles, but they look really, really nice along with the countertops here. So I'm very, very pleased about that. This is a new window. Once again, we installed nice picture window in the kitchen here. Just got to fix that little seam area. You can't see it on the video, but you can kind of see out there a little bit. So of course, that's something that our contractor is going to take care of, fix up, get that all worked out. Our counters or cabinets, kitchen cabinets are all brand new. So that's done. This, we've got to do some more caulking in there. We'll get that done. That's it though. This is the bonus room. This is a 3-bedroom, 3-bathroom house with the bonus room. And here is our bonus room. This is sort of where we're doing all the work from right now. So you got to excuse it for the moment. Nice little bonus room. Very, very nice room. I really, really like this room. Now, this is something new. I kind of walked through the house a little bit before I'm showing you guys. So I don't know what's going on in here. This is the laundry area, actually. This was a laundry room. And now it's framed out some kind of way. I know our AC is coming through there, and I'm going to show you that as well, but I'm not sure what our contractor's doing with the framing here to frame this out. And I don't know if we're putting a closet in it. I don't know. That's I hate to be the owner of the house and say I don't know what's going on, but they are doing something a little bit different in this room. I do know the hot water heater is going to go back in here, so we'll get that put in and installed here. But he's decided to do something a little bit different. You know, I definitely trust my contractor. That's one of the good things about this guy. I definitely trust, you know, his judgment on what he's doing. I just don't know what that is in this particular room yet. So we'll figure that out and see what's going on here. But that is it there. He's put in venting for AC in here as well as up there. So it's coming along pretty nicely there. Got that framed out. Once again, this is our bonus room with the door back here. And I see we've got our hot water heater here. So we've got this just hanging out in the bathroom right now until he gets back from vacation or whatever have you. But that's that. So it is coming along. It's definitely coming along. So we're finishing up this flip. We should have this flip done or this project done within the next 2 weeks. Once again, it's got to be done within the next 2 weeks so that I can move on to the next property that I've actually got under contract right now that we're going to be closing on this coming Friday. So this property has to be done. This property has got to be absolutely finished so that we can get out of here and get on to the next one. I am, overall very, very pleased with the outcome of the property and what we've got going on, what we've done. It's going to be nice, So originally, my plan was to list this property for $159. So I spent $78,000 on the property, and then put a $22,000 renovation on the property. The goal was to list it for $159, but I think we're going to be able to do a little bit better than that and list this property right at probably $169 to $174. Okay, and $174 should give us a return of about $60,000. Somewhere in that ballpark, okay? So there'll be a $60,000 return, $60,000 renovation. Actually, I was anticipating earlier $68,000. That was my goal, was $68,000, but we decided to do some extra things in the house that might have thrown me off from that budget just a little bit. So the new goal is now $60,000, which is not a bad return on a flip property at all. All right, so let me show you something else that's going on with the house. I got the shutters for this house, guys, for $27 for all of the shutters for the front of the house, a total of $27 for the shutters for the house. Here's the problem when you get stuff at discounts like that. Take a look at this right here. So yes, I got the shutters for $27, and they're actually pretty nice shutters. They're not too bad at all, but the problem is, they come down below the window threshold, okay? So those shutters are gonna be longer than the actual windows. All right, so, and I think it's like that for all of them, if I'm not mistaken. So we have, let's see, we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 windows on the front of this house. We're only doing the front of the house. Okay, we're only gonna do the front, but all of the shutters are too long. So what's gonna be my solution? I think I'm gonna do planter boxes under the shutters. I'll go over to Home Depot or Lowe's, measure out the planter boxes, and they'll sit probably somewhere right around in here or here, I'm not sure. But I think I'm going to do planter boxes to kind of cover that up a little bit. Not only will they add a little bit of curb appeal to the front of the house, but they'll also make up for that extra space that's coming beyond where the shutters are coming, okay? Now, once again, you guys already know we did the deck. If you look at some of the other videos, you'll notice that we put a huge porch, not even just a deck, a huge porch on the front of the house where the new owners can sit and do things like that. But also I want you guys to take a look at this back here. This is our AC unit back here. We're also working on the outside. I'm going to do crush and run around the perimeter right here where all of this cement and all of this stuff here is going all the way out. We're going to do crush and run out there. Let's go. So that's our unit right there. It's been installed. It's been put on a platform, looking really, really nice back there. It's a Blue Ridge. Cool. All right, so our AC unit is put in. Now we've just got to get it hooked up. We're going to get our gutters put on the back of the house here. This is the back of the property. And our landscapers are coming to clean up all of this stuff back here. Okay, so that'll all be done as well. And that white looks really, really nice. I decided to do a brown gutter system around the house, around the border of the house here. It's gonna be all brown. So I'm doing a brown gutter system with black shutters. That's gonna look really, really, really nice. I can see they did some work on the boards here. Some of these boards were rotted out, as you can see in there. Kind of dry rotted out a little bit. So he actually just went ahead and replaced the ones that are dry rotted. And I think we still got to do a little bit of flashing back here around the perimeter, but that's it. It's coming along super nicely. So once again, guys, I'm Hudson on Base with Chess Homes Unlimited. Please make sure you subscribe to the channel. Hit that like button. Also hit that bell so you can keep in touch with me as I post new videos, so you'll get notifications. I'm very, very excited about this flip. I'm glad to have it, and just excited to get started on the next one. Thank you, guys, and I look forward to seeing you on the next video. All right, talk to you soon. Peace.